extremely difficult. We don't know anything about it. We just think aag lagi hai, they'll come and do something, but they do a lot more than that, which you'll see in the film. And thank you all for being here, and thank you for making this film happen, all of you. I think that's all I can say about the film. I'm overwhelmed emotionally, and I think it's been a long journey. And finally, thank you Amazon for taking this film to the world. Thank you.
सर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जब हमने टीजर देखा, आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आर यू एक्साइटेड टू वॉच द ट्रेलर ऑफ अग्नि? बहुत ही कम, थोड़ी ज़्यादा आग लगाई जा सकती है इससे ज़्यादा.
यार मैंने ये कर दिया and it's me, because then that's the end of the road for that. I think it's a very collaborative process. So I think like any other film, even Agni is on the similar basis. I think in a team where the sensibilities align, you want to have say the similar story, have a similar shared voice. That's when you come together and you find the right team for that, which is obviously Rahul, Vijay, who's also written this, co-written it with Rahul. I think that's how the process is always. I think so. Overall, if you ask me, filmmaking is a team sport. It's not an individual, a team effort.
You know, you spoke about similar voices in terms of story. Farha, I'd like to ask you, what made you choose this project? What made you guys decide that we will make a film on firefighters?
गुड आफ्टरनून. सबसे पहले बात ये थी कि ये जो आइडिया था वो राहुल ढोलकिया ने लाया था रितेश और मेरे पास. और जो कहानी थी इस फिल्म की, जिस वीडियो में ये कहानी सेट है, हमने कभी फिल्म देखी नहीं है फायर फाइटर्स के बारे में. और जो सबसे खास बात थी इस फिल्म की वो ये थी कि ये सिर्फ एक एक्शन मूवी नहीं थी. इसमें जो एक बीटिंग हार्ट है वो है द ड्रामा ऑफ द फिल्म. कि एक तो हम देखते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज ब्रेवरी, देयर इज करेज, देयर इज सैक्रिफाइस, but there is also bravery and courage and sacrifice shown at home by the family and the families of all these firefighters who go out every single time they are called. So it also spoke about the family, that support is important, that feeling of maybe my husband or my wife is going and may not come back. It captures many different things. और हमें लगा कि ये कहानी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कहानी है, नई फ्रेश कहानी है. और जिस तरह से राहुल ने इसे प्रेजेंट किया था, हम जानते थे, हम इसके साथ काम कर चुके हैं पहले. We know that he's going to make something incredible when he puts his heart into it, and the result is here for you to see.
I think the trailer speaks for itself. It's phenomenal. Maniji, first of all, I have to say, because I was talking about teamwork, your collaboration with Excel Entertainment has actually produced some of the most entertaining, engaging, award-winning content. The fact that you're coming up with another project like this is only, raising hopes of all the fans. Super excited already. First up, how does Agni pushes the cinematic envelope, and what the fans can expect from this spectacular film?
Thank you. Of course, we deeply cherish our partnership with Excel. We've done tons of things, and I'll come to that in a minute. But this is India's really the first film on firefighting and firefighters, and it underscores the evolving landscape of Indian cinema. And Agni sets really a new benchmark in the dramas that you've seen in this country so far. It's a really inspiring story. It blends high-stake drama with a powerful theme of courage, unity, and resilience, right? And this is something we've not seen before so far, so it's very unique. It is cinematic.
But I think I'm very anxious and very happy that this film is out there. It's been. I think, what else can I say? You can see.
Let me just say, Rahul is looking forward to getting off the stage.
Yeah. Let the actors come, let them talk.
नहीं, fair enough, sir. Sir, मैं भूषण जी आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि हमारी जो ऑडियंस है, ट्रेलर तो दिख ही रहा है सर, बहुत शानदार. But according to you, why should an audience watch a film like this on firefighters?
Well, the main difference between any man-made disaster, natural disaster and firefighting is that in other incidents, the death is approaching to you. In firefighting, the firefighter is approaching to the death. So that's the main difference. And PMC is blessed and privileged to associate itself with the Team Agni Agni is a part of our life and philosophy, one of the Panch Mahabhut. BMC is proud that we have got the best firefighting unit in the country and probably one of the best in the world, with 4,000 strong man, trained staff and the best of the equipment you can imagine. And so, the kind of a little deprived recognition to the firefighting as a profession and as a firefighter as a person, I think Agni will bring this in a big way, this recognition, and I hope and confident that this Agni will set the OTT on fire. Thank you.
Well, I'm talking about respect. Let's have a bigger round of applause for that, please. Ravindra sir, इतने सारे, इतना illustrious career है आपका. I'm sure बहुत सारे occasions होंगे जहाँ पर आपने rescue mission को lead किया है. कोई एक incident आप हमारे साथ share करना चाहें, और साथ ही साथ आपके लिए सर, कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है for people like us, I think when we say the word like bravery, थोड़ा ऊपर superficially है हमारे लिए कहना. आपके लिए उसके क्या मायने हैं सर? अगर आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकें प्लीज.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच. कुछ मंच पे ज़्यादा बोलने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. मेरी भाषा में मैं समझाने का कोशिश करूँगा. आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट. एक क्वेश्चन आया था, व्हाट इज़ ब्रेवरी? बहादुरी क्या होती है? हमारे लिए बहादुरी वही है जो पल में इमरजेंसी आएगी वहाँ पे जाने का. गो देयर, फाइट द फायर, save the life and come back. If you are saved, you are lucky. If you are not, you will be don't have to. I don't have words about it. It has happened in last. Another one, आपने पूछा कि what is inspiring? Since last 32 years, everybody from our fire services, everybody is hardcore firefighter by way of experience, by way of training, advanced training in the world. Just sir said we are the best in the world as well, because whatever happens in Mumbai city, the cognizance is taken worldwide, and we are the examples from where the world learns from, and that's what we fight a fire. There are lots of experiences. Even since '93, we have joined. There were riots. We worked in riots, then bomb blasts, then Taj attack, then Lotus fire, then latest last one was in month of May. The huge hoarding has collapsed in Ghatkopar. Nearly 17-18 people were trapped underneath. Sir was there, and under his guidance and all continuous, he was there with us to help us. By all means, we saved lot of life. Nearly about, initially it was the scenario where petroleum products were involved, people were involved, they were trapped underneath, and huge spill of you can say gas and petroleum products were there. And in that situation we have to take decision. We have to think about our men as well, of the people who were stranded below the hoarding and they were trapped. That was the successful operation, and we saved a lot of people. There was some, I can say, few people they died, but it was a bad incident. Likewise, this is Agni is the story of our daily routine life. Only in our daily routine there is no music, I will say, but this is the sound, whichever is there on the incident. There may be blasts, maybe cylinder blasts, maybe any other things, or flame sound, whatsoever it is. Water reaction with fire and all. Huge, there is a lot of sound. And in that situation we have to save people. It is our job, and we do it by wholeheartedly. At that moment, we don't have any thinking about anything. No family, nothing. Only to save the person, to extinguish the fire at any cost. Nothing like that.
Wow.
Thank
सर,
you.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम में से कोई भी कभी शब्दों में या कर्मों में कुछ ऐसा कर पाएंगे कि हम आप सब का धन्यवाद कर पाएं. But with your kind permission, ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a standing ovation? Can we have a standing ovation for the real life heroes, our firefighters? एक बार जोरदार तालियां. And also, I would request Manishi to please present a small token of love and gratitude from our side. We have. Haji.